my name is Valentina, and right next to me is this laughing girl right here. And we are going to be showing you how to make these like bracelets, or you can make any kind, like a choker, a ring, a bracelet. Stop.
Rings?
A bracelet, yes, a ring, and
Choker.
an anklet. I already said that.
You said a necklace.
Shh, be quiet. So I already made half of it because I had to delete my last video. It was horrible. And so, stop.
I'm not doing anything.
So you might hear a lot of background noise. We'll change that. I think we'll change that. My screen is pretty bad. Yeah. So you see, I just made this, but we'll show you how to like make it from the bottom. I'm just gonna show you. So at first, get like one color. So for example, so like white, you have to put it on any finger, and then you twist it. You twist it, and then you put it like that. See how it's like twisted? And then you get another color.
You didn't introduce me.
I did. And you get the white. You flip it over to the yellow, and then you just keep on doing that. So if you want the pattern white and yellow, you have to get white. You have to get the yellow, flip it over, and the other yellow, flip it over. So then you just keep on doing that, and keep on doing the routine.
Keep on doing that until like you get the right size.
Where's my hair tie that I made? Jeez. All right, whatever. I'll just keep on making this one. All right, so
I'm gonna do blue.
So as you can see, you can make anything out of these rubber bands, I guess. See, this is what we're using right now.
Introducing hair ties.
They're rubber bands, and you can make like any kind, like you can make 3 of them if you want to make them look like this. Difference. I made them out of 3, but you have to get used to it because it might hurt your fingers at the first part. It might get like a little hard because the colors will get mixed up. So I guess I'll just restart. Yeah.
I have to restart too.
Shh, be quiet. Oh. Okay, so I'm gonna start again because ouch. So I got my pink. I want to get with white. No, I'm gonna go with orange. Okay. Oops, I got that wrong. So you see how it's crossed? You have to let it cross.
Yours?
You get another color. You could do any color. It's your choice.
You can even do one single color.
Yes. You could even do just pink, so it could be easier. But I just do this. You could even do 5 colors, 4 colors, whatever colors. You could even do like 10
every color.
Yeah. And oops. So you get your other color, put like on your above the pink. You get the pink, and you just flip it over, like flip it. Not flip it, but just put it above. See? It might get a little funky at the first part, but it's actually turning out really good. So I want it pink and orange. That's the pattern that I want. And so if it's orange, that means the next pattern is pink. So you just flip over the orange and just keep on doing that. So it's pink, and then I put orange, you get the pink, flip it over. See, it might look a little funky, but if you pull it, it will look better. You might hear a little bit background noise. I don't really, it's not my fault.